Aaron Martineau here, Honest Marketer, and in this video I'm going to explain about affiliate marketing. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Okay, so affiliate marketing is a way for people to earn money by promoting another company's products or services. The company pays the affiliate a commission for each sale made through their referral link. So an example would be like ClickBank, Digistore 24, and there's many other affiliates. Okay, now I'm going to talk about one of my top programs, which is called Nexus Rewards. So if you're ready to unlock your financial freedom today, join the Nexus Rewards. You can join for free level or pay level. Okay, and what Nexus Rewards is it gives you access to exclusive services that help you save money, reduce monthly bills, and earn the highest cashback rewards in the market on all of your everyday purchases. We don't change buyers' habits, so you can start maximizing your financial potential today. So this is a cutting-edge program that enhances your purchasing power while creating new income opportunities. It's unbeatable savings. You get access to huge discounts and savings on the everyday things you already buy, everyday essentials. You can cut your costs. Let our bill reduction experts save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year on your existing expenses. Then we have the exclusive VIP Travel Club. Save up to 50% on your hotel and travel needs. Cashback rewards. Earn up to 6% cashback on purchases you're already making, turning the spending into extra income. Okay, so it pays to be a premium member. You start saving and earning more than your membership fee from day one. Reach your financial goals with our system, built to maximize your profits and establish a sustainable recurring income stream that can provide long-lasting financial success. So you can get started for free, and you can also get started for only $10 a month. Now, what you get access to is exclusive apps. Okay, you get the bill reduction and you get the VIP Travel Club. Okay, so if you'd like to learn more about the comp plan and more about the program, click on the link and join today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.